There are over 196,000 repair and tire shops in the U.S. alone, servicing 263 million vehicles. The automotive industry is rapidly changing, including the approach for legislation, maintenance, and service of vehicles. In order to keep up and stand out in the modern era and provide customers with trustworthy service while ensuring their safety, there is a need for technological, automatic, and objective solutions. Introducing UVeye, an artificial intelligence and deep learning platform that enhances any service station or workshop with the right technology and tools to automatically detect and expose issues below or around any type of vehicle. Instead of using lifts and heavy machinery, UVeye provides 3 drive-through products for quick and handy inspection. UVeye's drive-through products can be installed at the entrance lane or inside the workshop. By the time the vehicle reaches the service inspector, a full visual report of all the possible issues is already available. Oil leakages, corrosion damage, broken parts, holes in the exhaust pipe, scratches and dents or tire faults can be detected and exposed to both the customer and the mechanic within seconds. Already installed in over 100 sites and certified garages worldwide, tire workshops and dealers have seen an upsell of 4 times the amount of tires sold due to rubber tread and damage analysis exposed by the UVeye systems. Get in touch with us today to schedule a demo for our different products and see how you can gain a competitive edge over other workshops.